it's Helga or PuddingFishCakes here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make Simon's cat holding a heart balloon. For those of you who don't know, Simon's cat is an adorable cat animation series on YouTube. I'll put all of their information in the description box below, so definitely go check them out. I saw one of their stickers on Facebook and I thought it would be so cute as a little clay charm. And it's perfect for Valentine's Day, which is coming up soon. Also, make sure to stay tuned till the end of this video to find out how to enter this week's giveaway of craft supplies and other goodies. Let's start off with some white polymer clay. I just mixed some white and translucent clay for this. Now take some of that clay and mold it into the body and cat ears like so. It's super helpful to have the image in front of you so you can use it as a reference. Once you're happy with that, let's add on the legs. Round off some little spheres of clay and attach them to the sides. Rub out the back side so it smooths into the body. Then take some smaller spheres, taper them a bit, and add those onto the bottom for the feet. Next, take a needle tool or toothpick and indent twice to create the 3 toes for each foot. Next, let's work on the arms. Take some of the same clay and roll it out into a slightly tapered shape like so, and attach that to the body. Make sure it's located more to the right side of the body. Smooth out the shoulder and make sure the arm is slightly curved upward. Do the same indentations for the paw. Add on the other arm and repeat the indentation again. And of course, don't forget the tail. Now I'm taking some pink chalk pastels and using a Q-tip blotting on the blush. If you don't have chalk pastels, you can also use dots of pink clay or acrylic paint instead. Now for the eyes, take some white clay, roll that into little spheres and add them on. For the mouth, we're going to roll out some black clay into a super thin strand and cut off 2 sections. You can use a dotting tool to help you add those on and shape them into a smile. Use black clay for the pupils. Now I'm taking a head pin and inserting that into the bottom so that it comes out through where the paws are. This is going to be part of the balloon. If you don't have a head pin, you can also use any piece of wire instead. Now for the balloon, take some pink clay and shape that into the heart. Insert that onto the pin and leave a little bit of your wire at the top if you'd like to turn this into a charm. Add on the little knot parts to the bottom of the balloon by using little pieces of pink clay. Once you're happy with your creation, it's ready to be baked. Bake your piece using the instructions on your clay package. I'm baking mine at 270 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After it's out of the oven and has completely cooled down, shape the tip of the wire into an eye pin if you'd like to turn this into a charm. And finally, add a coat of glaze for a glossy shine. Once that's dried, you're finished! I am in love with how this one turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Let's move on to the giveaway details. I am giving away everything that you see here to one lucky winner. All you have to do to enter to win is first, be subscribed to this channel, second, give this video a big thumbs up, and third, comment down below what you think I should make next. The winner will be announced in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, good luck, and I will see you all next time. Bye!